Hello, in this Kotlin programming video, I am going to demonstrate method overriding. So we've got a couple of classes. We've got the base class, and then we've got this class that inherits from the base class. And this child class here can use all of the properties from this class. Anything that's public or protected, that is obviously the private ones you can't. Okay, so we have these methods here. It can use these. You might have, for example, a parent class, then several children class, and some of the children class use the method in the exact same way, but some of them want to override the functionality, and you can do this really simple. So imagine for the set max speed, instead of doing that, what we want to do, and to override it, you go to the child class where you want to have slightly different functionality for the function with the same name, but the keyword override, then you just create a function, and it was called set speed of the set max speed, and it takes. See, it's moaning at the moment, and that's because it's overriding nothing, because we haven't specified the parameter. Yeah, that's been the exact same format. So it was speed colon int. That will now disappear. No. Sorry. You also have to put the keyword open here. That way it's not final and it can be overridden. Okay, let's remove that error. Imagine in here, instead of doing max speed equals speed, maybe we want to do some calculation. Maybe it has to be divided by 2. Again, a simple example, but this, and if we go to here now and we print out car dot get, yeah, max speed is already a public variable anyway, so we can access it directly. So if we print this out now, still, oh, we haven't set it. We need to set it. So that's the max speed. If we don't set it, it's a default of 120. We've initialized it, and if we were to do car dot set max speed, and we'll set this to say 190, so we'll divide it by 2, which will give us 95, and we'll print it out again so you can see the difference. As you can see, we get 95. I'll go one step further, and for starters, I want to get rid of this. No, I'll leave this in. I'll leave that in there. I'm going to go a step further and just do a print line. So print line, I'll say overridden method, and for this one, I'm going to say print line parent method. Now, if we run it, as you can, I'll put metho instead of method, but same thing. There we go. So as you can see, it went to the overridden method in the child class instead of going to the parent method. If we have another class that inherits from our vehicle and we don't override that method, you'll use the functionality from the parent class. So that's an example of how to override methods and where you would want to. So that's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.